In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix bad footage on your DJI action camera. So first of all, there is a couple of settings that we can change here. So what we need to do is scroll up from the bottom, and what you will now see is the resolution and the frame rate. So your resolution may be on a lower resolution here, and the best that we can have is 4K 16:9, and this will help and really help the resolution and the quality of your video or even photos that you are taking, right? Also, what we can do is go ahead and enable rock steady, and it will also depend if you are in wide or standard mode here. So we've got wide ultra, you've got wide, and you've also got standard D-warp. Now you can select the standard one, and that is also very good, but the native one here is the wide angle lens, which will give you a more of a fisheye view of the camera, right? If you go ahead and select standard, that will should be very good. And you can then also go over to settings here, and then if we go down to color mode, what you can do is you can turn this to D-Log-M 10-bit. Now D-Log-M 10-bit will shoot in a neutral color profile, and you will need to do sort of editing in the background after you have recorded your footage. So you will need to keep this in mind and use whatever you need to do, right? So the next best thing will be the normal color mode 10-bit, which is the best one. You've also got 8-bit, but that will be a little bit less quality. So you either want to shoot in normal 10-bit, but if you're going to be editing in post, what you can do is shoot in D-Log-M, which will give you the best possible way to manipulate the colors on the footage right here. So go ahead and choose which one is relevant to you, click on confirm, and they are the settings that you can change to upgrade your footage on your DJI action cam.